All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to my Bybit digital course, video number 11. What is RSI? If you guys have been following my journey for a while, you guys know that RSI is literally one of the only indicators that I use. So in this video, I'm going to keep it short and simple. We're going to explain exactly what RSI is, how you can use it, and then I'm going to refer you to a previous video where we talk about bullish and bearish divergence, and that's where you're going to actually see how I'm entering and exiting trades using RSI, what my RSI settings and all those things are. We're going to cover the settings as well here. And then in this digital course, this is a step-by-step beginner playlist for anybody that's never used Bybit or people that are actually already on Bybit. If you're looking to use the best exchange in the game as far as trading crypto goes, Bybit is hands down it. No questions asked. You can ask any one of my subscribers, any one of my members, or any one of my students that are in my crypto coaching digital courses that have actually switched from whatever platform they were using to Bybit. Every single one of them after a week is like, oh my gosh, what a game changer. They have a testnet exchange. So if you haven't seen my testnet video, check it out. You can set up a free account on Bybit and get play money deposited in your account so you can actually practice trading on their platform for scot-free without investing any of your own money. On top of the fact that they're going to give you a $20 first time sign up bonus, $50 first time deposit bonus, 10% off your trading fees. List goes on. Let's just go. Guess what? I'm not a financial advisor. I may have a plethora of crypto knowledge, but this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. You always need to do your own research. I do not advise that you buy, sell, hodl, trade, or invest in any cryptocurrency. And if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, turn on those post notifications, and smash that subscribe button, I would be greatly appreciative. And down in the description, you can always find chapter timelines in case you want to skip ahead, affiliate links, and links to my digital course. Now that we got the YouTube police off our back, let's dive in, let's get it. So what is RSI? What is a relative strength index, also known as RSI? The relative strength index, RSI, is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or asset. The RSI is displayed as an oscillator, a line graph that moves between two extremes. The oscillator displays a reading from 0 to 100. The indicator was originally developed by James Wells Wilder Jr. and introduced in one of his books in 1978. So over here on Bybit, if you click the little side menu, you can see all of your tools and icons. We come up here at the top of the page, we go to the search bar and you just type in RSI. It'll come, you'll see relative strength index. So we're going to turn on our relative strength index. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to choose charts by trading view. That's going to open up my Bybit chart over here on trading view. I like how I'm able to split the charts in two side by side right over here. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what RSI actually is. So what RSI is telling you is that it's a momentum indicator. You can use it on all different time frames. You can use it on the 1 hour. You can use it on the 1 day. So right now, Bitcoin is at 55,216. Taking a look at where RSI levels, what is this telling you on the chart? Last time that Bitcoin reached that price point or ran up and reached a high at the RSI level on the 1 hour time frame up here, it hit its peak. And then it ended up retracing down about 4% over a few day period. And you see now, you see it running down and now it's running right back up. And now RSI is back up at that same level. That's letting us know that most likely we have hit a peak here. But take a look at these candles. Those candles are awful bullish. But RSI is at a level where it's oversold. So this is what they're talking about. See this 70 level right here? Above 70 is oversold. And it depends on how you have your RSI actually set up. I always have mine set to 30. So what that's doing is it's taking the closing price of the last 30 candles, it's averaging them together, finding that price and pinpointing it on the chart. So it's basically the average of the previous candle close compared to this candle, and it's giving you a chart and it's kind of showing you guys momentum. So you can see when the market gets bearish, and by bearish, I mean in a downtrending cycle, anytime we are below this 50 line, you can consider yourself in a downtrend. I like looking at it on the 1 hour time frame because it's really easy to see. Okay, look at right here. We broke above the 50 level on RSI right here on our way up. What happened? You can see we were right here when RSI was coming back up here and finally broke above that 50 level. And it was 24 hours later, Bitcoin was up 13%. So I look at the RSI in several different ways. You can look at below 30 as oversold, above 70 as overbought. But it's not just breaking below it a little bit or every time it touches it, that means go long. It's just giving you guys an idea of the momentum of the market. It allows you to see things before they're actually happening. For example, What do we see going on right here? We see price putting in lower highs. What do we see RSI doing over here? RSI putting in drastically higher highs. That's letting you know that price was still coming down, right? But the momentum of the market. Think about it like bullish momentum. When price is putting in lower lows and RSI starts putting in those higher lows, that's letting you know that the momentum is shifting from bearish to bullish. And in order to help you guys better understand it, that's called bullish reversal divergence or hidden divergence. And I have a whole video which covers all the divergences, so I won't really go over them. I just wanted to read the technical definition for you guys so you guys actually understood what RSI was. How I use RSI is I always have my settings set to 30. And a lot of times I'm actually on a 1-day time frame when I'm trying to get an overview of like the entire market, like how is the market performing. And I was showing everybody when we broke back above this 50 level, especially on the day time frame, man, oh man. So we ran up, we had a big pullback, and you can see these previous big pullbacks that we've had at other points in bull runs. Like this was the entire bull run leading up to May 20th or April 18th or whatever day Bitcoin actually crashed. So we see this huge run up, right? And then we see this big run down. But even when we started to come down, like this was the peak on RSI. That was the highest that RSI was able to get, and that was Bitcoin at 40,000. So Bitcoin was still able to come up and put in higher high after higher high, but you can easily see the momentum in the market. Just because Bitcoin was putting in higher highs, the momentum was slowly leaving the market. And then finally, boom, price follows. So you kind of have to understand how to read RSI. Then you have to understand, okay, at what point are we at in the game? There was no saying that we could not have came up and even put in one more higher high on RSI, or saying the fact that a big ETF or a bank or a hedge fund or institution or Elon could have made another tweet about buying Bitcoin for Tesla or whatever the case may be. So RSI just is one indicator that you can use to help get you a little bit more confirmation to determine which way the market's going. And that's a wrap, Bybit, and that's a wrap, YouTube. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. Again, my name's Ryan Mehta. If you guys want to see how I actually use these indicators, or you have any other questions about RSI or how I'm actually using these indicators to make price predictions and analyze the market, come join us in our live stream. I'll be live trading on Bybit Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You guys can bring any questions you guys want, drop them in the chats. I'm super active in the chats, and I love helping you guys become better crypto traders. So if you could help me out by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, I'd be greatly appreciative, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.